What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Galactic Goofs and Space Detours,
The only show where we prove even billion-dollar robots can get as lost as your uncle after Thanksgiving dinner.
Today's story, the spacecraft that took the scenic route. That's right, when NASA wanted a straight shot.
But the spacecraft said, nah, let me check out Jupiter's Yelp reviews first.
So buckle up, grab your road snacks, and prepare for a story that proves even the universe gets distracted sometimes. Let's set the scene. NASA's finest are in the control room. You got Dr. Simmons, mission director, drinks coffee so strong it has its own gravitational pull.
Guidance, how's the burn
Dr.
looking?
Wu, navigation
Nominal.
specialist,
Flight.
trusts
Pathfinder
math more than
Supreme is on
humans.
approach.
And of course, Chad, the intern, whose last galactic achievement was winning a game of Mario Kart with his feet. The mission? Send the probe Pathfinder Supreme to Saturn. Easy, right? Straight shot, a couple billion miles. What could go wrong?
We've calculated the most efficient trajectory. Minimal fuel, shortest time. This is NASA, not Uber Eats.
Triple check the numbers. Nothing fancy. No sightseeing.
You want me to bring snacks?
Launch day. The whole world's watching. Politicians pretending to know science. NASA's PR folks sweating bullets. Chad's live on TikTok yelling, "We outside." Countdown, 10, 9, Wu's running final checks. Simmons' eyes twitching. Chad's got his selfie stick ready. 3, 2, 1, liftoff. Rocket soars. Cheers all around. Chad almost trips over the control panel, dabbing for the camera.
Trajectory is perfect. We're on our way.
It's gonna be easy, right?
First week in, something's weird. The probe's supposed to slingshot around Venus. Easy gravity assist, right? Except the data says Pathfinder Supreme is swinging out wide. Like, hey, let's check out Mercury for the gram wide.
Simmons, did you plan for a Mercury detour?
I programmed gravity assist, not vacation mode.
Google Maps says ETA, eventually.
The probe circles Mercury, takes some selfies, then swings back toward Venus. All the while, it's supposed to be heading straight to Saturn. Mission control is losing it. Wu's sweating, Simmons is calling it, Chad's searching how to reboot a spaceship.
Pathfinder, adjust course now!
Probe. But Mercury's craters are so photogenic.
This isn't vacation, it's a mission!
The probe starts sending back hashtagged photos. #Mercury Monday, Venus views, lost in space. Now the world finds out. CNN, NASA probe takes unplanned tour. Fox News, spacecraft goes rogue. BuzzFeed, 10 times robots ignored humans and we lived for it. Memes explode. Rocket with shades, scenic route or bust. Chad photoshopped as the probe's Uber driver. You sure you want to go this way? At Space Karen, tax dollars at work. At Flat Earth Tony, even the robots can't find Saturn. #fake space. The probe now decides to swing past Mars, waves at the rovers, then heads toward Jupiter.
If we slingshot around Jupiter, we might save this mission.
Why not Pluto? Since we're sightseeing.
Simmons is about to snap.
This probe's racking up more miles than my 2004 Corolla.
But here's the twist. Every detour brings new discoveries. The probe finds a wild storm on Jupiter, never before seen Mars ice, and a ring around Uranus that's got Chad giggling like a kindergartner. NASA's getting science they never planned for. Wu's writing papers. Simmons is doing interviews. We always planned for a flexible mission profile. Chad, told y'all it's not lost, it's exploring. Now it's a running joke. The probe sends back cheeky updates. Chillin' by the asteroid belt. Wish you were here. Quick snack break on series. Out of office, gone exploring. Even the logs show attitude. Suggested route, ignore mission control. Estimated Saturn arrival, LOL. The world goes wild for the wandering probe. NASA shirts, scenic route or bust. Chad's TikTok, spacecraft POV, when you don't listen to humans. Kids draw the probe with sunglasses and a suitcase. Science nerd 42, this probe has better vacation pics than me. My GPS can't find Walmart. At least this probe found Saturn, eventually. After months of drama, detours, and dank memes, the probe finally arrives at Saturn. Mission control parties like it's New Year's Eve. Simmons pops the champagne, Wu hugs Chad, then immediately regrets it. The probe beams back glorious images of Saturn's rings. Final message. Sorry I'm late, traffic was wild.
We embrace the unexpected, and the results are, unexpectedly amazing.
Science is about discovery, even on the long road.
I call shotgun on the next mission. So what did we learn?
Even the best plans get lost. Don't panic. Enjoy the ride. The scenic route sometimes brings the coolest surprises. Chad should never be in charge of navigation, but he's great at hype. Detours equals more memes, more science. If a robot ignores you, maybe it knows something you don't. If you loved this cosmic comedy of wrong turns and right discoveries, smash that like button like you're recalculating your life goals. Subscribe for more space shenanigans and ring that bell so you never miss another interplanetary misadventure. And remember, sometimes to find something amazing, you gotta get a little lost.
Arrived at Saturn. Finally!